The era of fossil fuel may have gifted us convenience, but it is affecting the wellness of the world around us and the air we breathe. Commercial vehicles are responsible for about a quarter of CO2 emissions from road transport in Europe. Hyundai is one of the first to see the potential of hydrogen as an alternative energy, which can replace fossil fuels for a sustainable future. Hyundai, with decades of experience on fuel cell electric vehicle, is now providing fuel cell heavy-duty truck to Europe, starting with Switzerland. Hyundai presents world's first mass-produced fuel cell heavy-duty truck, XCIENT Fuel Cell. Hyundai's fuel cell electric truck is the first not only in mass production, but also in commercial operation of heavy-duty fuel cell electric trucks. XCIENT Fuel Cell is a present-day reality. Why hydrogen for heavy road transport? Hydrogen is the best suitable fuel for heavy-duty trucks by ensuring a short refueling time and long-distance driving, while promoting the zero-emission solution. Hyundai will deliver 1,600 fuel cell electric heavy-duty trucks to Switzerland by 2025. A new chapter of XCIENT Fuel Cell, the future of logistics without environment pollution, starts now.